Hello and welcome to another exciting episode on Club TV, where we bring leader from diverse background, from diverse industry. And today we have a very special guest, Mr. Bhatia, director of Indraprastha Gas Limited, and he will take you the journey of how Indraprastha Gas Limited helping in green energy and also how they're helping in a new technology for the industry. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, Club TV viewers. I am Mohit Bhatia, Director Commercial at Indraprastha Gas. This is growth story of Indraprastha Gas. Indraprastha Gas has been the pioneers in the transition of the clean energy, particularly in the natural gas sector. And it is the largest CNG company, CGD company of India. So presently we are almost having 900 plus CNG stations and catering to around 19 million of CNG vehicles and serving almost 3 million of PNG domestic customers and 12,000 industrial and commercial customers across Delhi NCR, and now we have expanded to 11 GAs, particularly in the northern part of the country. And we have an infrastructure of around 24,000 kilometer of the MDP pipeline and over 2,000 kilometer plus of the steel network in Delhi NCR and our GAs. Currently, we are selling almost 9 million of gas per day, and it's growing at a CAGR of around 8 to 10%. For future thing, in particularly if we come to India Energy Week, so our theme we have brought it here. The next starts now. So the strategy is on two prongs. First is to strengthen our core business, that is the CNG, CBG, CNG and the PNG network, and expansion plans on that. And further, we also want to work on the clean energy security for the country to take the further gas mix from 5%, 6% to 15% by 2030. We are continuously working on the compressed biogas space, and we have already tied up for 130 tons per day of the CBG, and almost 6 are operational, 19-20 in pipeline coming. We are also coming with around 100 tons per day feed stock CBG plant at Narela in Delhi from municipal solid waste. We have also one LNG station at Ajmer, and now we are also looking in the long haul space trucking mechanism where we can convert from the current liquid fossil fuels as a alternative for LNG. And coming particularly on the cutting edge and innovation, we have come out in this India Energy Week. We have launched our chatbot, that is the IGL Jenny, which works on artificial intelligence, and it's a customer centric approach. The customers can raise their concerns, queries, PNG connections, CNG location and all. So it's based on artificial intelligence, and particularly IEW platform is a fantastic. It's the world's second largest energy platform.
One question to you is how IGL is contributing in Viksit Bharat.
So we know that India is moving very fast, and Viksit Bharat mission is there for 2047, wherein India will be completing 100 years of the independence. And as a clean energy transition, so IGL is contributing in the mixed journey of India from 6% to 15%, and it's giving a big way push because we are the pioneers in the CGD CNG sector, and it is a green transaction which is happening, and IGL is contributing in a big way.
And how do you help from the young startups? Is there anything for startups in IGL, how they will helping to the young entrepreneurs in the industry?
So we are looking for that, and we are we are in fact exploring the possibilities and how to support these startups and all. Not much development has been done, but we look forward to support in that.
Great, sir, and appreciate your time, sir. It's absolutely honor to have you here on Club TV.
Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Club TV. Thank you.
That was an enlightening discussion with Mr. Bhatia from Indraprastha Gas Limited. His contributions to the energy sector are truly transformative, with IGL currently accounting for 6% of India's energy supply. Their ambition goal to expand this to 15% by 2047. Adding to the vision, IGL is spearheading innovation by supporting the startup project aimed to nurturing young entrepreneurs in India. Their dedicated research and development teams working to create opportunities that will drive technological advancement and business growth in the energy sector. Currently, IGL is selling 9 million cubic meters of gas per day and is experiencing robust growth with a compound annual growth rate of 8 to 10%. This steady expansion highlights their commitment to meeting India's energy demands efficiently and sustainably. A heartfelt thank you to Mr. Mohit Bhatia for sharing IGL's inspiring journey and the exciting future prospects for young entrepreneurs and business leaders. Stay connected with Club TV for more business insights, influential personalities, and global leaders shaping the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for exclusive content. Until next time, this is your host Rajan, signing off from a Spotlight series, episode 14. See you in the next episode.